Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to make this bag. It's 10 by 12. The size is 10 by 12, so that's the size we are using. So from that edge you are going to measure 1 inch. From that edge you measure 1 inch. Can you see what I'm doing? Then you curve it like that. You curve it just like this. Can you see it? So you cut one side, then you flip it over like this and use this side to cut the other side. That is what you do now. That's what I'm doing right now. So we are making a crossbody bag. That is what we are making, a crossbody bag. The size is 10 by 12. So we use one to trim the other. So now that we have shaped the other one, you use it to shape the other. So the pocket is 10 by 10. We are going to be putting 10 by 10 that it has a top pocket. So this is our zipper. We'll fix it on our pocket. Can you see it? We fix our zipper on our pocket. Can you see? So we'll press-stitch it after we have fixed it like that. So we are done. We are going to put our zipper pull. You just only need one zipper pull. We are using size 5 zippered, and the zip cloth is also size 5. So now, yes, this is it. We have fixed it. The next thing is to put it on the main piece. We are going to fold it in like this because we want to hide the edge of the zipper. So we are just going to notch it down so that we can be able to know where to place it. So now we'll notch it down just that way, and then we'll hide the edge of the zipper, and then we'll sew. But before then I thought of putting a belt just for design. It's optional, you can decide not to use it, but I just put it just for design. So you just put it there like that. Can you see? Can you see it? Yes. So then we'll come down by 3.5 inches where we'll face the pocket. That one will help us to know. I've already measured 3.5 inches, so I will just rule it out so that I will know where to stitch when I'm stitching the pocket. Do you understand? So you're welcome to my space. My name is Elijah Alice. So we have a paid class. If you want to join our paid class, we now have a paid class, a private group. Here I'll be teaching you different design that I don't upload on my channel here. If you want to know more of school bag, lunch bag, traveling bag, send me a DM on this my number. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to give you a space to join my private class where I will be taking you hand by hand. So our private class is on now. So if you want to join, it's just for 15,000 naira. I'll give you access to join the class. So now we have fixed the pocket. So the next thing we are doing is just to measure it round. So for those people who have already joined our paid class, thank you so much and God bless you. For those that are yet to join, you are free. It's for 15,000 naira, and you will have designs that we don't upload here. Difficult designs that they look difficult, but we'll make it easy for you. So we all have them in our private class. So now this is the base. After you measure it round, just divide, add 1 inches, divide whatever you get, add 1 inches and divide it into 2 by, look at it, the base is 26 by 4, so the zipper is 16 by 4 too. So you just divide it into 2 and put the zipper just like that. So the next thing now is the handle is 54.5 by 2 inches wide. The belt is 2 inches wide. So now we'll fix it like this, and then we'll place the adjust on the other side of the zipper. So that is what we are going to do right now. So for our paid class, if you want to join, chat me up on this number that is on the screen. Chat me up with the number, and let me give you, I'll give you all of the details you need. I'll give you access to the class. You just pay a one-time fee of 15,000 naira, and you will join the class, and you'll be one-on-one students that I'll be coaching on bag making. I will teach you everything you need to know bag making, and also the business side of it. So I've done fixing the handle. So the next thing I'm doing now is to bring it together and notch the center. So if you can understand my YouTube videos, then know that my private class video are loaded. They are loaded. You also understand this. So join us on Telegram. It's on Telegram where I'll be teaching you step by step. So if you are interested, chat me up. I'm going to be giving you the privilege to join our class just for 15,000 naira. You pay it once and that is all, and you will join our class. and then you will be learning a different design of bag. So after then you join it like this. You join the side of the bag like this. I've joined the side, so I'm going to now place it on it. For those that have joined our class, thank you so much and God bless you. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much. So now we will notch it like this. After notching, we are going to now notch it down and the up side of the bag, and then we are going to place it this way. Can you see? Can you see how we place it? Then we will stitch it round. Can you see? So we are done stitching it round. Can you see it? So we are done stitching it round. We are done with the bag. It's not difficult. It's very easy. So you now take your leather or your piping belt, and then you just tape it round your taping belt. If you like to tape it, you just tape it round. So we are done taping it. I think we are done with the bag. So can you see the beauty? You can see the way the thing is. The bag is beautiful. So you can make yours. So if you want to join our class, don't forget, send me a DM on WhatsApp. I'll give you the opportunity to join. Many already are joining already. Over 100 something people are already in that class as of the time I was making this video. So join us so that we will learn different designs. If you can understand this, then you know that our Telegram group is loaded. So this is the final look of the crossbody bag. This is the final look of the crossbody bag. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. So see you in my next video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe, like our video, share our video. Yes, like it and share it. In that way you'll be supporting us, and then you'll be helping us to push the video out to those that need it. So this is the bag. Is it not beautiful? You can just even start making this. Yes, and be selling it and be cashing out of it. So much beautiful. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye and God bless you.